Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rubia Todowia. I'm from Economic Education Study Program 2019, Faculty of Economics, University of Jakarta. I would like to a presentation about internship program report at the Subdivision of Budget and Finance, PT PLN Persero Education and Training Center. We will discussion about place and time of internship, company profile, company structure, business field, inter-job field, obstacle, and how to overcome obstacle. The first discussion is the place and time of implementation. The implementation for the place for the implementation of practical field work is at PT PLN Pusdiklat. The place for the company address at Street M. Harsono, number 59 Ragunan, Pasar Minggu, South Jakarta City, with postal code 12550. The implementation period is 6 months, from 5 January to 30 June. Next is the company profile of PT PLN Pusdiklat. PT PLN Pusdiklat was established in 1973 in order to prepare potential members of the company who are not only competent but also very professional. PT PLN Persero Education and Training Center launched the implementation of PLN Corporate University. Corporate University is an engine that transfer PLN business strategy into training program or assessment to improve leadership quality, increase competence, and foster a high performance culture. Company culture, the value of the company, number one, simple, provide learning solutions quickly and precisely according to customer needs. Three, yang two, inspiring, inspire others so that they are confident and willing to implementation new ideas for improvement. Number three, performing exceptionally to deliver superior and sustainable performance. Jadi phenomenal recorded nationally or internationally so that everyone will experience the learning process and result will get a deep and inner impression. This is structure of PT PLN Pusdiklat. The business field of PLN Pusdiklat are the main program offered are the implementation of education and training, employee competency assessment, the result of which are not only to increase employee competency, but are expected to have an impact on improving core business and corporate performance. The type of training are pre-service, self-nursing, and related education and training, personal education and training, learning education and training, and in collaboration with work partner and client. Job finance is planning, complying, and reporting on the company budget to integrating service for training unit. Three, prepare technical and administrative service in human resource development. These serve the needs of the company in general. Next, here are the areas of work the practitioner do. One, recapitulation of detailed list of payment for each unit disbursement of fine. Two, input the detail of bill payment list into SAP system. Three, drafting money transfer outgoing letter. Four, print proof on cash out of bill payment list. Number 1, input petty cash via SAP system. Number 6, deposit value added tax, the FAT, or FAT. Less monitoring of tax deposit and reporting and tax administration section. The first field of work is a recapitulation of detailed list of payment for each unit disbursement of fund. The assessment flow the time start from each unit office that perform work using vendor service submission and invoice that the main office or PLN Pusdikat with several supporting document. 1, job detail and invoice amount in the form of Microsoft Excel, payment bill request, and tax payment letter or tax e-billing. The step the practitioner do, the practitioner and detail list of bill from the unit in the form of Microsoft Excel, application letter for bill of payment and e-billing provided by the supervisor. To practice recapitulation and detailed list of payment bill by uniting bill from several units. 3. Then in the recapitulation of the list of payment transfer made into 3 tables consisting of the BRI table, the non-BRI table, and the tax table. For practice making cash management system. The following picture is a recapitulation worksheet on detail of UPDL, Jakarta, and Banjarbaru bills. Another one is CMS recapitulation worksheet. The second line of business is input the data of bill payment list into SAP system. Into posting payment is SAP use stakeholder F53 post outgoing payment. The steps are 1. The practitioner enter the SAP application software program by entering the username and password. The select menu F23 post ongoing payment. After that, the practitioner complete the required fields such as document date, check number, main office name, and letter number, job description, and other. 3. Enter the document number into the column provided. If the data is entered correctly, click process open item. Make sure the not assigned file is 0. After the data is input, it will display the document posting code as a sign that the payment has been input and recorded into the SAP system. Then this post code is recapitulated into the bill payment list in the post document column. The next step is drafting a money transfer outgoing letter. Step number 1, fill the date of the letter according to the date of the recapitulation of the bill of payment in Microsoft Excel. 2. Candidate recipient of the letter. This outgoing letter is addressed to Bank BRI Pasar Minggu Branch. 3. Prepare the necessary complementary information such as stating the amount of the payment to be paid. 4. After the concept of the content of the letter is made, it must first be approved by the parties interested in the letter. 5. After the concept is approved and marked with the initial of SRM Finance and MSB in Finance, the draft letter is complete with a serial number of the letter. The following picture is outgoing transfer of money. The next file of work is print proof of cash out of bill payment list. The steps are: 1. The practitioner enter the SAP application software program by entering the username and password. Then write the code ZF book underscore bukti underscore tas bukti underscore ben. 2. After entering the cash out proof menu, the practitioner needs to enter the data needs to input and print out cash out evidence. This data include use the type of proof of cash or disbursement, use the type of payment program, and use manual post type. Enter the company code, document number, year, payment date, and city column with Jakarta. In the knowing and agreeing section, it is filled in according to the procedure of the finance division. The practitioner fill in the result column with the work attached. Select the execute menu for the input process. After inputting, the next step is to print out cash receipt and ask for the initial attached to the cash receipt. Here is a picture of the SAP system display when printing cash out receipt. The next step is input petty cash with via SAP system. Step the practitioner receipt and email from the APK Unfil regarding the petty cash bookkeeping report used every week in the current month. Log in the SAP system, select take code F2, enter J or L account posting. Then after the F2 display, it is necessary to fill in the record data for uploading into the SAP system, such as document date, posting date, account number, transaction amount, job description, and other. And then if all the steps have been done correctly, then the system will display no sign in the form of the number 0, which indicates that there is a match or balance to the debit and credit section. Then click post and at the top left to post the petty cash into the system. Then after posting, the document number will appear. That must be recapitulated into the recording format. The following picture is SAP system display when inputting petty cash. Another one is petty cash into recapitulation worksheet. The next text is deposit value. Edit text or FAT. FAT deposit is made no later than the end on the following month for the tax period and before the FAT period SPT is submitted. The purpose of depositing FAT into the state treasury is to increase state income and encourage nation development. The step is the practitioner receives the tax checking account given by the supervisor. The practitioner makes the sort of the check available in the checking account based on the list of payments that have been given given by the supervisor. And then the practitioner recheck the amount of fat from the transfer list to Microsoft Excel that has been provided based on the sort check. Practice entering the attack website, going to the WAPU web menu. After that, click the Add Invoice menu and then select the type or area you need to be deposited. Checklist of that invoice that have been paid and will be deposited based on the result of the VAT receipt. The practitioner will check the suitability of the tax invoice amount on the ATEC website. If it is approved, the practitioner approves the tax invoice and verifies the data. After that, the practitioner will check the status of the tax invoice deposit on the shipping monitoring menu. The following picture is an invoice menu display on our tax system. Okay, the last field or practical work is monitoring of the deposit, reporting, and tax administration sanction. The step of the work that the practitioner does. One, practice a receipt of the deposit deadline, the amount of deposit, and the amount of income tax, and NTPN number top BPN or SSP document. Also receive the report deadline and BPE number by looking at the BPE document. This step is specially for the main office or PT PLN Pusdikat. For other unit, only move the monitoring result to the recap result file that has been provided. If the deposit deadline and report deadlines do not exceed the limit, it can be started that the deposit and reporting are not late. After that, the practitioner will continue the recapitulation result to the supervisor to seek approval from the senior finance manager SRA or PT PLN. Here is a picture of the work. The obstacle that I feel when I practice fail what are number one, practitioner find it difficult to adapt at the beginning of the internship because the work system applied to the company is hybrid due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Number two, when recapitulating to payment detail for the bill of the unit, the practitioner is vulnerable in recapitulation due to the large number of bill and the number of units and the use of uniform word in the work column. The last is when the practitioner makes a payment, there are several finance documents that cannot be paused. The next is how I overcome the obstacle above. The first way to overcome the obstacle is practitioner try to dig up detailed information related to assign text or about the work environment of the PT PLN Persero Education and Training Center by contacting supervisor online or offline during with BFO. The second way to overcome the obstacle is when the number of units and the number of invoice submit are large. The practitioner will do a recapitulation at the bottom of the recap of the list of payment bill containing the name and letter number of each unit, the gross net income tax, VAT, and fines. After that, the result of the recharge are summed and checked on the gross and net column. How to overcome the last obstacle is when some financial document cannot be posted, the practitioner will look for the source of the problem talk of the FB3, FB03 stakeholder available on the SAP system. If there is difference between the FB03 menu and the recap of the list of payment transfer. Thank you for listening to my presentation. If I have any problem or mistake, please forgive me. I hope what I have shared will be beneficial for all of us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.